G'day YouTube, JB from Oz here.
Emma Zollman.
Hey JB Zollman.
Emma Zollman.
That's not a knife.
That's a knife.
This is a knife. This is the knife that was featured in the manufacturing of the cane, which turned out to be a chain. Careful, don't hurt anybody.
And this arrived today.
It did. Time! That's pretty quick, 30 seconds to get inside.
Yowza,
Alrighty.
yowza.
Now, doesn't this look fancy?
Doesn't
I think you begin at the left, Dad.
This one.
What's that plastic bag?
This plastic.
No, the one that you had in your hand is this one there.
Has some things in it.
Things and stuff. This looks like a WW 8mm
How did you know that?
watchmakers lathe. Oh, check that shit out. Holy dolly. It's a thing.
That's the drive dog.
Yeah. It's another thing.
It's a thing.
Yeah.
This is a thing.
Yeah.
And that's a thing.
It's even got a squeezy thing too.
It has.
That looks delightful. What's next?
We go to the base. Bed. That's why it's a W.
That out.
That's the W, I think.
It says law.
That's his law. Law, Germany. Yeah.
Woo!
Law, Germany. We'll have to learn the language.
Definitely, mate.
Look at that.
Holy shit snacks.
So,
Didn't expect to see that name on there.
over there. Where do we begin?
Well, keep going a piece at a time.
We go to headstock. Hello, hello, hello.
It's built.
Check that out. Hey, that feels nice.
Is that gearing in,
That feels
inside?
nice.
Or what's all in, oh, indexing.
Indexing, yes.
Holy shit snacks.
Is that? It's very fine. So there should be a that
I
fits
see a
in
pin
there.
there on that piece, but I think that's tail
Yeah.
something.
That feels lovely.
Yeah.
Feels superb. That's the cam operation to lock it.
Wow.
This will pull up on there.
Yeah.
On the dear bed.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Holy shit snacks.
And that's a drawbar.
Yeah.
The collar's a little bit grubby, but
Hey, that's the whole point, isn't it? There's a collet down in here.
tell you what, it looks like there could be a bag of collets. It's a little bit grubby on the inside. But basically that fits in. That's incredible. That is so smooth. According to Stefan, I think that's steel on steel.
Okay. So like a frictionless bearing.
Billings?
No.
Oh, that's lovely.
Holy dolly.
One hit
So that's a collet.
Bag of collets,
No,
by the way.
but a 3-drawer thing with a collet back.
Range of collets here. We'll have to build a box.
Look at that, the crikey box. Crikey box.
Look at these.
Oh, mate.
Some of everything.
Mate, I'm going to be indebted here.
This is
Something
unbelievable. Just spread them a little bit.
That's what she said.
What was that? Let's just spread them a little bit.
Yeah, looks like there's 2 of those.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Are they maybe Tommy bars for the chuck or something?
That sounds like a logical thing. We'll put them there for the moment. Look at
Holy
them.
shit snacks.
Now that one is interesting. There is a range of collets. One very large range. And there's this, which
Looks to be a,
is a screw-in Duvalaki.
maybe it's a spreader bar for some
Don't know.
sort of fixture.
Oh,
Face
that's a
plate.
lovely little
Check that
chuck.
out.
Chuck. And that moves in and out.
What?
And your thing goes there, so as it tightens up,
Finger grips and everything.
tightens up there.
No way.
And you can change the thickness of
Yeah,
what it is
and
that
you've
you're
got
holding by
A
that.
jacking screw at the back.
That's right.
Holy crap.
But that is beautiful.
That is better than beautiful, mate.
That is going to clean up like you wouldn't believe. Ah, man. This is cute. God, there's some weight in that. Hey! It's a hermaphrodite. Two one way, one the other way.
Does that look like it's threaded for these bars?
Yeah, that'll be here somewhere.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. We might flip one around, so that's interesting. Again, that feels very, very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice indeed. What do you think, Jay?
This is JB's old man.
His old man's wife. That's fantastic.
Wowza.
This looks awfully like something. Not sure what that is. We'll have to find out what that is. This looks a lot like a tailstock, so that might be something to do with the tailstock.
I think she said that was a little bit frozen.
Well, that's all right.
That's what we're here for.
We got hot summers, so it'll unfreeze.
Wow.
That is lovely. Lovely stuff. So that bit, that looks,
It's a drill, isn't it? Or a reamer?
I'm not altogether sure on it. I'm not
Maybe it
sure.
looks like a piece of steel that's been turned into a drill.
Looks like a D-dip.
Yeah, D-dip drill. But I don't know
It
these
should
things terribly good. What is that? Oh, this is
A rest.
Yeah,
It's all rest.
very much so.
It's all rest. Move outable. Get it out of the way so you can
No
check out
way.
what you're doing. They're tiny, aren't they?
That is insane.
And consider this is not the smallest lathe they make. Oh, that's lovely. That is the same. Look. Looks Germany. Lovely stuff.
Wowzers, Penny.
Wow. And in here is something which
Sure.
resembles. What have we here? Let's find out what all this does, I guess.
There is that C piece there. I wonder if that's components for setting
no.
wheels and stuff.
I really don't know. I really do not know. There's a bundle of drills.
Drills maybe? Reamers? Are they smooth or have they got an option?
There's a step there.
Yeah.
It
Must
looks
be
as
their
though it
drills.
spins between somewhere and somewhere else, and
Yeah.
you drive it with a bow, perhaps.
Yeah, that's what I'd be thinking. The bow drill. Which should be probably what that handle there holds them with.
I'm not sure about what you say drill. I'm not sure. They are different sizes. They range. What else
What's
is
in the
there?
next bit?
This actually could be some bearings in there. Put that one in that box. This could actually be a change of direction drive, maybe for
Okay.
don't know.
Winding post.
Call it don't know.
Yeah.
Looks like it belongs somewhere. It's threaded there.
Wow.
Let's call it there.
Yeah.
This looks like a handle for something or other. Tell you what, we've got some learning to do, haven't we?
I think so. Well, Zers Penny.
Incredible. Incredible.
Well,
That is fantastic. What a surprise.
unboxing.
What a surprise, sir. What a surprise. What do you think, Jay?
Just when you see those old lathes and how they're done up and
Well, that is fantastic, mate. Thank you. What about here? It's a taper. There. Looks like
Emma,
looks like a
You're
center.
a legend. You're gonna have
This
to
is
figure out how to
Emma's
work this back.
responsibility, is it?
Oh yeah.
Thank you very much, Emma. Fantastic. We'll have to work out what goes where.
To make a box for it, make it nice and shiny. Most definitely.
That is magnificent.
That certainly makes a day. In a week. Probably even a year. Thanks for watching.
Thanks so much, little buddy. What a fantastic surprise. I just have one question.
What's that over?
Wonder how we're going to make it fit. Either that's too small or that's a tad too big.
Holy guacamole.
That's beautiful. That is absolutely insane. This looks like it's for the...
Oh yeah, index pin.
Yeah, we've got to find something that'll clip in there.
I reckon that won't be too hard.
No. That feels lovely. It feels absolutely... This is beautiful.
Bonza, mate.
Bloody fantastic. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Indeed.
Lovely chubbly.